Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your siding contractor business. Suppose as the owner of siding contractor business, I use WhatsApp chatbot to help clients book inspection and send project status update. We can automate this process with the help of Pabbly Chatflow WhatsApp chatbot. When user send a message, the chatbot automatically replies. Now, if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, let me take you to the screen. In this video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your siding contractor business. First of all, let me show you the chatbot that we will create with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So this is our chatbot and we will also see how it responds. First of all, we will open our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type, I want to book site inspection. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. Hello, welcome to Pabbly Professional Siding Installation Experts. What would you like help with today? Now we have in two options, book inspection, project status. Now simply click on book inspection. After clicking, you will see I am getting the response. We are happy to schedule a siding inspection. Please share your full name. Now I am typing my name, test user. After typing my name, you will see I am getting another response. Please share preferred date and time. Now I am typing 25 May 2025 and time 10 am. After typing date and time, we are getting our last message. Booking details, name test user, date and time. Will confirm your inspection shortly. So you will see I am getting the responses. Now we have a project status button. Simply click on it. After clicking, you will see I am getting the response. To check your siding project status, please enter your project ID. Now I am entering my project ID. I am getting our message, status in progress. So you will see I am getting the responses. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, then follow along on my screen. First of all, we will open our browser and simply type www.pabbly.com/chatflow. Now we have an interface like this. If you have already logged in before, then we will sign in, otherwise we will sign up. Since I have already logged in before, so I will sign in. After sign in, we have an interface of 7 Pabbly applications. Now simply click on Pabbly Chatflow Access Now button. After that, we will see an interface like this. Now you can create your business account. If you want to know how to create a business account in Pabbly Chatflow with the help of WhatsApp Cloud API, you can easily do so by watching the video provided in the link description. Now if you want to know how you can add WhatsApp number, simply click on add WhatsApp number. Now we have two options, WhatsApp Connect Preferred, Manual Token Connect. With the help of WhatsApp Connect Preferred, we can automatically update our access token. Now we have an option Manual Token Connect. Simply click on it and fill the details over here like Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp business account ID, and select the folder and simply click on next. After clicking next, you have successfully added your WhatsApp number like this and simply click on accessing button. Now you can see the navigation on the left side inbox section. In this section we check the WhatsApp responses. Now we have contact field. In this field we add contacts and create contact list like this. Now we have team queue. Team queue is used to show the list of chart assigned to the team member. Now we have template section. In this section we create our template. Just click on add new template and fill the details over here and simply click on submit. Now we have broadcast section. We use broadcast to share information with the large audience. Just click on add broadcast and fill the details over here like username, number, and simply click on add broadcast. Now we have AI assistant. We use AI Assistant in Pabbly Chatflow by integrating AI tools like ChatGPT to understand user message, generate smart replies, and automate dynamic conversation within the chatbot workflow. Now we have an option settings and get help. Now simply click on flows. Now we have a flow builder page. In this we have total flows, active flows, inactive flows. Now we are going to create our new chat flow. So simply click on add flow. Now we have an interface like this. First of all, we will rename our chatbot, that is WhatsApp chatbot for your siding contractor business. Now we have two options, message and action. With the help of both of them, we are going to create our WhatsApp chatbot. Now we enter regex. For regex, we use the format. These format help us to trigger the chatbot. When user types anything, then our chatbot will be triggered. Now we have a field of keywords and template. With the help of both of them, we are also triggered our chatbot. Now we take text button and write our welcome message on it. Hello, welcome to Pabbly Professional Siding Installation Expert. What would you like help with today? Now in this we also add buttons. Book inspection, project status. Now we connect the flow. Now we take ask question box and write a message on it. To check your siding project status, please enter your project ID. Now we select contact custom field status and also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this project status button to this question box and save the flow. Now if you also want to learn how you can create this contact custom field, simply click on settings and click on contact custom field. I have already created some contact custom field like full name, address, email, demo, time, order, date and time. Now if you also want to create contact custom field, simply click on add more field and type here I am typing XYZ and simply click on save. After clicking save, you will see we are successfully creating contact custom field. Now we have an option field description. Enter a description. This will help you to identify the purpose. Now go back to our Chatflow section. Now we take text button. In this we provide status of project and simply connect this question box to this message box. Now we take question box. In this box we ask a name from user. We are happy to schedule a siding inspection. Please share your full name and you will see I am using the asterisk sign. Asterisk sign is used to bold the text. Now we select contact custom field, full name, also select format, that is text format. Now simply connect this book inspection button to this question box. When user click on book inspection button, then we will send over this message. Now we take another question box. In this box, we ask a date and time from user. Please share preferred date and time. Now select the contact custom field, date and time. Also select the format, that is text format. Now simply connect this question box to this box. Now we take text button. In this box, we provide our last message, booking details, name, date and time, and you will see I'm using the dollar sign. Why we use dollar sign? When user enter their name, the dollar sign replace their name with full name. Now we connect this question box to this message box and simply save the flow. So you will see I'm successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you want to increase your chatbot according to your needs, you can easily do. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now it's time to check it. Simply go back to our WhatsApp dashboard and simply type project status. After typing, you will see I am getting the response. So we are successfully creating our WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any question, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. If you have any pricing related issue, you can visit our website which is given over here. Also, you can try Pabbly Chatflow and start building your own WhatsApp chatbot for free. Thank you.